Hello everyone, today we shall be looking for the smallest number that a number can be multiplied by so that the product will be a perfect square. So that's what we'll do today. Um, let's consider this number 540. Find the smallest number that 540 must be multiplied by so that the product is a perfect square. Now you can start by the first smallest prime number that can go since it's divisible by 2. So 2 going 540 will give us 270. 2 going to 270 will give us 135. Now 2 cannot go again, 3. 3 into 135 will give us 45. 3 into 45 will give us what? 15. 3 into 15 will give us what? 5. And 5 is to 5 is 1. For prime factors for 540 is equal to 2 squared times 3 squared m cubed times 5. And see that the index of 2 is even, but the index of 5, 3 and 5 are odd. So we multiply one more 3 and one more 5 to get the product, to get the number that will make this product a perfect square. So one more 3 will be 3. So we are going to add one more 3 here and then one more 5 here. If you've done lots of indices, this 5 raised by 1 times this. One more 3 and one more 5. So that will make it what? We are going to have 3 times 5. That's what makes the perfect square. So 3 times 5 is 15. That's all. Okay, so 15 is the smallest number that can be multiplied to this to make it a perfect square. So in this next slide, we shall do the same thing by finding the smallest number this prime product must be multiplied by so that the product is a perfect square. And as you can see, the only number with an even index is 7. So we're not interested in 7. We're only interested in the numbers with the odd indices or not odd index. So our game here is 2 times 11. In this next slide, we can see that although it's not in indices, we can put it in indices in index form if it's good for us. Otherwise we can simply group it. So you can see here it is not put in indices, so you can just group it in 2 if it makes you feel better. So I have 2, so you can see that only that we still have 2 to add one more 2 to make this 4 to make it even, and we still need to add one more 5. So you can conclusively say that 2 times 5 is the smallest number or the smallest product that we need to add to this product to the main numbers to make it a perfect square. The key point is when making a number a perfect square, always look for the odd indices of its product of prime numbers. So when you can find the odd indices of its product of prime numbers, now pick out those numbers that have odd indices. Then you can multiply them. That's what will give you the smallest number you can multiply to a number to make it a perfect square. So that's all for now. Until next time, I remain Anthony, your favorite maths instructor at Numeracy Fun. Please do like, share, subscribe, invite your friend. Bye.